One day, founders are active, posting updates and promising big things. The next day, they're gone. No website. No social media. No money. That's called an exit scam. And today, I'll show you how it really works. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. Exit scams sound shocking, but they happen more often than people realize. An exit scam happens when founders collect investor money, then disappear. There's no warning. No apology. No announcement. But before they vanish, they build trust. They launch a project, share a roadmap, promise big plans, and stay very active online. Everything looks legitimate, at first. Money usually comes in through token sales, NFTs, or early access rounds. Funds flow into wallets the founders control. Investors believe the money is being used to build a project. But in many cases, there's little or no real development happening behind the scenes. Once enough money is collected, the founders disappear. Social accounts go silent. Discord shuts down. Websites vanish. Wallets move the funds. No refunds. No support. Just silence. Beginners fall for exit scams because they trust confidence and hype. They don't verify teams, identities, or wallets, and scammers know this. Some red flags anyone can spot include anonymous founders, constant delays, no real product updates, and pressure to buy quickly. Even one of these is a reason to walk away. Exit scams are hard to stop because crypto moves fast and regulations are limited. Once funds are gone, recovery is rare, prevention matters most. These scams don't rely on technology. They rely on trust and silence. Now that you know how they work, you're harder to fool. Have you ever seen a project disappear overnight? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video, 5 red flags before you buy any crypto token.